I've been with Press Juicery for 5 years now. My name is Amy Fine and I work at the Del Amo Mall location as the store manager, and I really enjoy working at Press Juicery.
At Press Juicery, we love to work with our farmers. We try and work locally with our growers, and we build those relationships up over years. That way they have respect for us, we have respect for them.
My name is Oscar MAGALLANES. My title is a production lead. What I love about working for Press Juicery is we feel like we're part of the family. Everybody comes in, works as a team. Everybody from the first of the line to the end of the line is key to the operation. We want to get through the day and make sure we produce good quality product for our customers.
Part of working with our farmers is actually getting out here and interacting with them and experiencing and feeling the harvest and everything else they do.
Well, I like it here. It's a very nice place to work. The people are nice. They treat me like family here. I'm SILAS BOYKIN. I'm the truck driver here at Press Juicery. So I inspect the trailer when I get in to make sure that the load locks is in tight. In one day, we run about 80,000 pounds.
I heard about Press Juicery just walking through Manhattan Beach. I saw they were hiring, so I applied. I started as a retail associate. I moved up to shift lead, and now I'm a store manager. I love my team at Del Amo Mall. We're all very close. Everyone's a really hard worker here. I've loved all my 5 years here at Press Juicery. Overall, I just love helping out the community and just connecting with the customers and hearing their results, and that it's actually helping them with their nutrition and living a healthy lifestyle.